High above us, beyond the reach of our atmosphere, orbits a silent army of machines. These are satellites, sent by humankind to explore the universe, connect our world, and unravel the cosmos's mysteries. But among these marvels of technology lurk silent threats, defunct satellites. These are spacecraft that have reached the end of their operational life. They no longer respond to commands from Earth. They drift aimlessly, remnants of past missions, still bound by gravity's invisible chains. Some are giants, remnants of early space exploration. Others are smaller, like CubeSats, testaments to our growing ambitions in space. These relics of our journey into space might seem harmless, but their presence is a growing concern for the future of space exploration. Like ships adrift at sea, they pose a navigational hazard, threatening active satellites and future missions. Defunct satellites come in all shapes and sizes. Some are as small as a loaf of bread, like CubeSats designed for targeted scientific missions. Others are behemoths, like the iconic Hubble Space Telescope. Each defunct satellite, regardless of size, adds to the growing cloud of debris. This debris, traveling at high speeds, can cripple or destroy operational satellites, jeopardizing communications, navigation, and scientific observation. Imagine a tiny paint chip, traveling at thousands of miles per hour, colliding with a functioning satellite. The result can be catastrophic. Even small debris can cause significant damage, disrupting our technological infrastructure here on Earth. The vastness of space might seem like an empty canvas, but it's becoming increasingly crowded. As we launch more satellites, the risk of collisions amplifies. Even a small collision can create a cascade of debris, each piece becoming a projectile. In 1996, a French satellite was hit and damaged by debris from a French rocket that had exploded a decade earlier. This incident served as a stark reminder of the long-lasting danger posed by space debris. The most significant collision to date occurred in 2009 when a defunct Russian satellite collided with an operational Iridium communications satellite. The impact destroyed both satellites, creating thousands of pieces of debris, each one a potential bullet in the delicate orbital environment. As the density of debris in orbit increases, the probability of collisions rises, potentially triggering a chain reaction known as the Kessler syndrome. This phenomenon, named after NASA scientist Donald J. Kessler, describes a scenario where collisions become so frequent that they create a runaway chain reaction. This chain reaction could render certain orbits unusable for generations, effectively cutting us off from space. Imagine a future where we cannot launch telescopes to explore the cosmos, where communication satellites fall silent, and where our reliance on space-based technologies is crippled. This is the potential consequence of inaction, a future we cannot afford to face. Addressing the issue of defunct satellites is not a matter of choice. It's a necessity for the future of space exploration. We must take responsibility for the objects we launch into space, ensuring their safe disposal at the end of their operational life. Several solutions are being explored. These include deorbiting satellites, nudging them into Earth's atmosphere to burn up, developing technologies to capture and remove debris, and implementing international guidelines for responsible space operations. The challenge of defunct satellites is not just a technical one, it's a global issue that requires international cooperation and a shared sense of responsibility. Just like we strive to protect our oceans and our atmosphere, we must protect the space surrounding our planet. The future of space exploration hinges on our ability to solve this problem. By embracing sustainable practices and fostering global cooperation, we can ensure that space remains a realm of discovery, innovation, and inspiration for generations to come. The cosmos beckons, but it's our responsibility to ensure our journey among the stars is a sustainable one.